Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I'm gonna do the spiciest chip challenge. Yes, I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm so scared about this challenge, but yeah, why not to try it? So stay tuned. So this is the chip that I have got. So this is how the chip looks like, and yeah. Just for this one chip I had spent 200 rupees. But okay, why not? It's fun, so let's try. Okay, so I'm already nervous. I have some ice cream with me so that I don't die. And yeah, I have some water. Yeah, let's start. Okay, so this is the chip. I'm gonna cut it. I hope I don't cut the chip. Oh god, so much spice I can see on this chip. Just look at the chip. Am I going to die? I can smell so much spices and do I have to do this? Okay, let's do this. I can't do it, I can't. Okay, in the last bite it is so spicy. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't do it. I'm going to die. I literally ate half, not half, but I ate so much sugar, so much, like even ice cream couldn't stop it. I don't know, I thought I would die after eating it. Worst challenge, like worst. Still I can feel a little bit of spice, but I was literally about to die. I don't know what it was. One spice was I can't even express. It was the worst challenge I hadn't done. I will never ever do such challenge. Oh god. I have eaten so much spices, like this was horrible. In the start I felt like okay, normal. But then I don't know what happened. I couldn't complete the whole. Actually, I took such a big bite. Only this, I won't even touch it. Just a little bit of part is left. But yeah, I couldn't complete the challenge, I know. But I couldn't really. I ate such a big piece now. That's why I guess this happened. But seriously, ice cream also didn't do nothing. Like I was eating it, I felt like I'm getting more and more of it. So yeah, don't try it. Please don't try it. I'm telling you, don't try it. It wasn't fun either. It was like I usually create like makeup videos. I just wanted to give a change to my feed. So yeah, I tried this challenge and I hope you liked it. I mean, I can't say anything. I mean, it took so much time to calm down. I don't know what happened. I just regret everything. Like buying this, I regret it. I don't know why. I thought it would be very exciting. It must be exciting for you, but not for me. It was like very bad experience. Like I don't know. I just love eating spicy food, like everything. Like this was like from a different level. I don't know how much spices they have like literally added. Corn, canola oil, edible activated charcoal powder. What? Carolina Reaper, Trinidad Scorpion. What the hell is this? Ghost pepper. The names are so scary. Jalapeno seasoning, iodized salt, calcium propionate, sodium propionate. Not everyone will enjoy the extreme heat. Literally, I couldn't enjoy this. It was such a hilarious thing to do. I don't know why I chose to do this, but yeah, I did this for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share as much as possible if you liked it. And yeah, let's meet on Monday.